Hello guys, I'm your AGA guy. This video is about a MathWorks Excellence Innovation project. I submitted deep learning for UAV infrastructure inspection project number 187. You can get more details about this project in this GitHub link. I am mentioned in the below description. This project encourages you to use UAV, deep learning and computer vision MATLAB toolbox with Unreal Engine as a simulator. In this video, I will walk through my project named UAV Road Crack Detection. The problem statement is we need to detect the holes and crack using UAV. We are fully simulating the environment in Unreal Engine and we link with MATLAB for all kind of algorithm. Example, UAV, waypoint follower, crack detection, LiDAR visualization and much more. First thing first, go to my GitHub repo. A deep learning for UAV infrastructure inspection. You can find more details of the project in this repo. Now you can download or clone this repo to your machine. This project developed and tested on Windows 10 64-bit machine. Once you download, unzip the file and navigate the folder. Open the roadcrackdetection.mlx and open the road crack detection example.mlx file in MATLAB. Wait for a few seconds. First step, open the UAV crack detection project, click run section. It will load all necessary components and models for this project. This project constructed with 4 modules: ground control station, external sensor, onboard computer and multi-rotor. The ground control station used to control and monitor the aircraft while in flight. We are using a waypoint here. External sensor, the photorealistic simulation environment with virtual LiDAR and camera will produce a real reading from Unreal Engine environment. We will explore this module later. Then onboard computer. This module visualizes the LiDAR and detect the cracks and holes from the UAV bottom camera in real time. The multi-rotor. It includes the low fidelity multi-copter model and a flight controller including its guidance logic using UAV Path Manager. This project contains 2 examples, low fidelity model and photorealistic simulation. Click the Getting Started project. You can see the photorealistic is 0. That means we disabling the photorealistic environment. Before run the simulation, I will show you the waypoint. Go to the UAV road crack detection data. Open the crack mission. Here you can see a mode, position and params. The mode means take off, land and move. The position is XYZ axis. You can find more information in MATLAB UAV toolbox documentation. We are passing this data in ground control station. Then this data goes to UAV Path Manager. It gives waypoint to UAV. Now let's run the model. Only the low fidelity will comes up. Great, it's working fine. Now we run the photorealistic simulation. Before that, we will see how I train the crack detection model. Initially, data preparation. You can see saved label data for the model. We extracted images from the Unreal Engine simulation environment. Then I used image data labeler for labeling the data. You can import images here and label the region for detection. Now we will see how I trained our labeled data. Open eurotrain.mlx. For this project we are using Euro V2 architecture. You can change to different object detection architecture and you can use your custom label data. We are using input size as 128 cross 128 pixels width and height. Then we are selecting filter size as 3 cross 3. Then we are adding the middle layers in deep neural network. The gtruth is the variable name of loaded label data. Then we are checking it number of classes. It's 2 because we are labeled at 2 categories, crack and holes. Then we are defining the anchor pointers. You can change it for your customized detection. Then we are creating the graph. You can visualize the graph using this command. Then we train the model with SGD optimizer and minibadge as 16 and epoch as 80. After the training, we got the result. We can improve the result with more data set and increase number of epochs, and you can try a different optimizer. You can play with it and check the accuracy. After the training, we save the model as detector eolo2.mat. You can find here. The remaining steps are check the models with given images. You can play with it. Now click the fly full mission shortcut, which places the aircraft in a more realistic world to fly through. Before running this model, you need to configure the simulation 3D scene. You need to download Unreal Engine executable. Go to my GitHub page, click this link, download the Unreal Engine executable and unzip it. There you can find the executable. In a simulation 3D scene configuration block of Simulink model, set the scene source parameter to Unreal executable. Browse for the full path of the file. Set the scene parameter to the name of the event. For here we are using /game/maps/highway-straight. You can edit the LiDAR parameter as well as the camera parameter, and you can change the color of the UAVs. Now run the simulation. Wait for the model to compile, then application will start to run. There you can see virtual environment where the drones moves to the target point through UAV path manager waypoint follower algorithm. Then real-time LiDAR data is getting visualized, and camera mounted on the drone is collecting the real-time feed sent to the MATLAB for crack and hole detection. The MATLAB detects the crack and holes and marks it. Great! If you want to customize the virtual environment, you need to follow the MATLAB UAV Unreal Engine setup guide. Check the documentation, that is very fantastic. They explain clearly. Once you install the Unreal Engine with necessary plugins, then again open up the simulation 3D scene configuration. Then select to Unreal Editor. Open the editor. You can see I installed the specific Unreal version. You can add many cracks or customize the scene. Then bundle and package it. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks to MathWorks and coordinators for this wonderful initiative. You can find all the links in the below description.